So how can you screen record on your iPad's Capcut? Let's talk about it. So if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So whenever you are inside of the Capcut application, you can go ahead and start editing your projects as usual, right? And right now it depends on what you are trying to achieve. Because if you want to screen record the process of editing the videos, that's pretty simple. You can swipe down to access the control center, look for the screen recording button. If you don't have it, tap on the plus and then add a control as such, and click on the screen recording to bring the toggle right there. And whenever you are inside of your Capcut, it just started the screen recording. Everything will be captured so you can teach your editing or whatever, and then you will be able to stop the recording and it will be saved in your gallery, right? So that's how you can do this. Outside of that, some people would like to record specifically inside of the Capcut, and you can do that, but only with audio, right? So when you go to the add audio, you have the microphone icon for record, and you'll be able to speak over your clips and just add the audio layer to your clips like that. But you cannot add directly, or capture whatever inside of the Capcut, right? So as I say, it depends on what you are trying to achieve specifically. So if I didn't cover your issue, let me know about that. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it. So make sure you do that. Stay tuned for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.